if we open the whole square over here, we get 12.5 whole square plus y square and minus of 2 times 12.5 is 25y, and plus of y square is equal to 93.25, right? This is what we are getting. And whole square of 12.25 is 156.25 plus y square minus 25y plus y square minus 93.25 is equal to 0, right? And if I simplify it more, I get 2y square minus 25y and plus 156.25 minus 93.25 is equal to 0. This gives me 2y square minus 25y, and simplifying it I get 63 is equal to 0. Alright, so what I have is, now if I try and simplify it, my first product of first term and last term is actually 126, and sum of two numbers should be 25. So those two numbers can be, if I split this middle term into two numbers, those can be 18 and 7. So if I split this middle term into two numbers, I can write it as 2y square minus of 18y minus of 7y and plus of 63 is equal to 0. So simplifying it, I get 2y. If I take common, I get y minus of 9, and minus of 7 if I take common, y minus of 9 is equal to 0. So from these I get y minus 9 and 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. From here I get y is equal to 9 and 2y is equal to 7, y is equal to 3.5. So either y is 3.5 or y is 9. So these are the two values of y that I'm getting, and I can get values of x by putting the values of y over here. So x will be, if I take y as 9, I get x as 3.5, and if I take y as 3.5, I get x as 9. So sum of two numbers is same. So if y is 9, x is this. If y is 3.5, x is 9. All right, let's move forward. Okay, question number 5. The sum of circumference of two circles are 36 pi, and sum of the area is these. So if I talk about circle, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times r, right? So area of circle is equal to pi r square, right? So if I say I'm adding circumferences of two circle, first of all, I will take radius of two circles. So let of two circles are x comma y. So sum of circumference of two circle is 2 pi x plus 2 pi y, right? So according to question, this sum is given to be 36 pi, and sum of area of two circle is equal to pi x square plus pi y square. So according to question, 2 pi x plus 2 pi y is equal to 36 pi, and sum of the area is given 175. So pi x square plus pi y square is equal to 170 pi, right? If I simplify these, I can mark it as 1 and 2. So if I simplify 1, I can take 2 pi common. I'll get x plus y is equal to 36 pi by 2 pi, and I can cancel this pi out. I get over here 18. So I get x plus y is equal to 18. I can mark it as equation number 3, and from second equation I can say that x square plus y square is equal to 170. I can mark it as equation number 4. So from equation number 3, I can say x is equal to 18 minus of y. I can mark it as equation number 5, and substituting equation number 5 in equation number 4, I can say that 18 minus y times 18 minus y whole square plus y square is equal to 170, right? So this is what I'm getting. Now square of 18 plus square of y plus, not plus, minus 2 times 18 times y plus y square is equal to 170. Square of 18 is 324 plus y square, and minus of 36y plus y square minus 170 is equal to 0. So what I get is 2y square minus 36y and plus 154 is equal to 0. And if I take 2 common, I get y square minus of 18y and plus of 77 is equal to 0, right? I can simply see that it is 11 times 7, 77. So y square minus 11y minus 7y plus of 77 is equal to 0. Taking y common, y minus 11, and negative 7 common, y minus 11 is equal to 0. So we get y minus 11 and y minus 7 is equal to 0. From here we get y is equal to 11 and y is equal to 7. So these are the two values, and so if once we take radius of circle as 11, the second circle will have radius as 7, because from equation number 3 we can say that x plus y is 18, right? So from equation number 3 we can say that x plus y is 18. So if y is 11, radius of one circle is 11, x is 7, and if y is 7, x will be 11. All right, I hope you understood this. Let's move forward. A cuboid has a side length of 5 centimeters, x centimeters and y centimeters. Given that x plus y is equal to 20.5, the volume of cuboid is 360, and the value of x and value of y we need to find. Okay, so a cuboid we have, so side lengths of cuboid are given over here. So sides of cuboid are 5 comma x comma y, and we are given that x plus y is equal to 20.5. This is equation number 1. And volume of cuboid, so volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H, that is 5 into X into Y, that is equal to 360. This is equation number 2. So from 1 we get X is equal to 20.5 minus Y, and we can mark it as equation number 3. And substituting this equation number 3 and equation number 2, we get 5 times 20.5 minus Y times Y is equal to 360, right? If we simplify it, we get if I multiply it with Y, I get 5 times 20.5 Y and minus Y square is equal to 360. And if I divide both sides by 5, I get 5, and over here I will get 72. So Y square and minus of 20.5Y and plus of 72 is equal to 0. So this is what I'm getting, and we can factorize this quadratic equation, and factors of this quadratic equation will be y square minus 4.5y and minus of 16y and plus 72 is equal to 0. We can also solve it by quadratic formula. y minus 4.5 and minus of 16 y minus 4.5 is equal to 0. Y minus 4.5 and y minus 16 is equal to 0. So from here I get two values for y, that is y is either 4.5 or y is either 16. So if y is 4.5, the second side x will be 16. If y is 16, second side x will be 4.5. So these are the two answers. All right. Let's move forward. Now this question says the diagram shows a solid formed by joining a hemisphere. So this is the hemisphere, and radius, hemisphere of radius r centimeter, to a cylinder of radius r centimeter and height h centimeters. All right. So we are given the total height as 18. We have this as our radius, and this is the height of the cylinder. So from here we can say that this is r, this is h. So from here we can say that r plus h is equal to 18. This is our equation number 1, right? The total height of the solid is 18 centimeters and the surface area is 205 pi centimeter square. So total height we got. Now surface area. So formulas for surface area. So surface area of curved surface area, if I want to be precise, curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square, right? And we will not include this circular disk over here in circle. We'll take only lower one and the curved surface area of the cylinder. So this is the curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r times h, and area of circle, this bottom one, is equal to pi r square. So if we add all these, we get the total surface area. So total surface area is equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So that gives us so we get 3 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. We can take some things common, but let's leave it like this right now. Let's check. So this total surface area is given to be 205 pi, right? Okay, so 3 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 205 centimeters square. So not write units right now. 205 pi centimeters square, right? So we were given the total height, which is height plus radius, that is 18. One equation we got from that. We are given the total surface area. Surface area for this curved surface area of hemisphere will be 2 pi r square. This is 2 pi r h, and this circular disk is pi r square. So complete surface area is done. Now we added them, we got this. We can take pi common, we get 3r square plus 2rh is equal to 205 pi. We can cancel these pi out. We get 3r square plus 2rh is equal to 205. This we can mark it as equation number 2. So from equation number 1, r plus h is equal to 18. R plus h is equal to 18. This is equation number 1. So from 1, now what I will find is I will try and find value of h, not r. R will be a bit complicated. We need to open the square. We need to write over here also. We need to multiply it with h. That is a bit long process. I will find value of h. H is 18 minus r. That I will mark as equation number 3. Now substituting equation number 3 in equation number 2. 3 and 2. Substitute equation number 3 and equation number 2. What I will get is 3r square plus 2r, h is 18 minus of r is equal to 205, right? So from here what I will get is 3r square plus 18 to the 36r minus 2r square is equal to 205. 3r square minus 2r square is r square plus 36r minus 205 is equal to 0, right? So now what can I do is I can form factors of these equations, and my factors are r square. I can see the product is negative, sum is positive. It means if product is negative, I will have a positive number and a negative number in multiplication. It means the greater value will be positive, and smaller value of this splitting this middle term, the smaller one will get a negative value. If I look closely, it is 41 times 5. Yes, I can get that. So plus 41r minus 5r minus 205 is equal to 0. Right? I can take r common, r plus 41 and minus 5 common, r plus 41 is equal to 0. From here, r minus 5 and r plus 41 is equal to 0. We get r is equal to 5 or r is equal to negative 41. This is not accepted. So radius is equal to 5. We got r is 5, and from 1, r plus h is supposed to be 18. So that gives us h is equal to 13, right? So we got the value of r as 5, we got the value of h as 13. So this is how we found the value of r and h over here. I hope it is clear. That's all for today. We'll simplify next questions in the next lecture. Thanks for joining. Take care.